Hello everyone, today I would like to speak about the Talend. So first we will open this beautiful black box. The first thing we find inside is a paper sheet with a first guide for setup and connection of the codec. And here is the codec itself. As you can see, it's a pretty nice design, thin, very light and elegant. If we remove the inner box lid, we will find a smaller white box with a power supply adapter with a few different power supply sockets. After we plug in power supply and Ethernet connection to our Talend codec, we only need to download the Talend Pilot application. We see then the application in our phone works as a remote control, just like a mirror. So for example, if we increase or decrease the gain level of the microphone in the encoder, the Talend will also change it in the application, as you can see here, or even when we press the on-air key like this. In order to make a call, we can select the destination in the application or in the Talend itself using the key. In order to drop it, you can do it in the same way, in the Talend or in the application. Both are able also to make some advanced settings and control remotely several devices with the software control frames that you will be able to download with the other QR code available in the first guide setup. So as you have seen, the setup is quite easy. The interface is very user-friendly. So I really hope that it's been interesting and useful, and see you on next video.